Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install HP printer driver software onto your Windows 11 computer. So let's say you have your HP printer all hooked up and you have your ink cartridges already put in, and now you're just looking to get the software package on your computer. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to do that, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to use Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm going to search for HP printer drivers and go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should come back with official HP printer drivers and software download. Go ahead and open that up. And then you can either enter your product name here or search from popular printers down here. Generally, you probably should just type in the product name, it'll be quicker. Otherwise, you can select a printer from down here. At this point, you go ahead and select where it says driver product installation software, expand that, and then you want to select the download button that corresponds to it. And it's about 80 megabytes in size for this one, but obviously it'll vary depending on your drivers. Go ahead and open that up once it's done downloading and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And at this point, you're going to go ahead and select install. You want to accept the end user license agreement and select next. Now it's asking for you to connect your device, you'll do that, and then you just follow along with the on-screen prompts, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.